What's up everybody, it's your boy J Will back at it again with another tutorial. And in today's video, we're not going to be doing a tutorial at all. I'm going to show you how to get a $80 plugin. Matter of fact, it's going to be 3 different plugins worth $80 for only, catch this, $2.91. Now that can't get no better. So not only are we doing beat tutorials, I'm showing you deals that can upgrade your beat making skills, you feel me? So before we get started, what I'm gonna need you to do is 1, press that subscribe button. Matter of fact, don't press it, hit it. 2, smash that like button. And 3, make sure you share this video so that everyone get in on this deal right here. You feel me? So bring in the hook. Alright fam, so this is what we got. What I first need you to do is I need you to go ahead and type in your web browser www.pluginboutique.com. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this page right here that you see in front of you. Now, what you're seeing now is the home page of Plugin Boutique. So what I need you to do in order to get your free copy of these plugins, what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and click right here on what's your free copy. Alright, want your free copy, that's what it says. So now, once you click on that, this gives you all the stipulations on what you need to do in order to receive your free copy. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll and read what you got right here. It comes with 3 plugins, so it's going to come with the Ultra Analog Session, the Strum Session, and it's also going to come with Lounge Lizard as well, which I think is a very great deal. And right now the offer ends on January 31st of 2019. So I would highly suggest you go ahead and get this plugin as soon as possible before this deal goes away. Alright, so once you get that done, what you want to do is you want to buy at least 1 plugin, just one, that has a value of $1 or higher in order to get this for free. So I have this uploaded, Xmas 2018 Serum Presets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cart. So now that I have this added to my cart, what we're going to do is we're going to go right here. I didn't add it to my cart. What's going on? Okay. So add the cart. It's in my cart now. So now that we see it here, what you're going to see is that the price came to $2.90. Now, right now it's in euros, but $2.90 is the correct exchange. So I would change it. Well, $2.91 as you can see. So what else you want to do is you want to scroll down and you're going to see this little area right here where it says Session Bundle. Now, you got to click on yes, I want to get this free gift. Right now it's unclicked. Make sure you click that, because when you check out, if you don't, you can just go ahead and wrap it up, because that means you have to buy something else in order to get the free gift. Alright, so we got that checked. Once you get it checked, enter your billing information. If you're a company, enter your company as well. Then you're going to hit pay by credit card, pay by PayPal. Once you do that, this is what's next. You're going to click on my account, and then you're going to go all the way down until you see what you purchased. Now as you can see, what about this right here is already purchased, so I can just go ahead and download that, install it. If I need instructions on how to install it, just hit install instructions. Alright, we also have the 3 plugins that we really do want. As you can see, it's all right here, it's ready to go. Just hit download, and if you need to learn how to install it, hit install instructions. So there's how you get the plugins for less than $3. Like, there's nothing better than this right now. Like this, like as of right now, this is the best deal that Plugin Boutique is offering right now. So you really can't pass it up. For those who don't have a lot of plugins, I highly suggest you get this one, because you're getting literally $80 to $100 worth of plugins for less than $3. You're gonna get amazing sound quality out of these plugins, man. So you feel me? So thank you for listening. What I need you to do is I need you to subscribe to the channel so you can continue to save on everything that we offer. And also I need you to like this video and share to other producers so they can get in on this deal as well. Alright, so thank you, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.